Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Elijah here. I'm back with another video, and today I want to focus on one of my original characters. She's my first ever female character. Her name is Zarah, and she's from my comic book series called The Burning Fox. She's one of those characters that I created when I was like really young. I was about 12 years old when I created her, and of course your artwork is not going to be exactly the same as it was when you first created this character, so I'm 28 years old right now, and I created her when I was 12 years old, so of course none of it is going to look exactly how it is back then. One of the things that I wanted to do was give her like a more modern day spin, like, okay, what would this character look like nowadays? And I started off really by just kind of jotting down some notes, like what type of person would she be. She's very helpful. She is a fighter, but at the same time she's very fashionable. I wanted to give her a lot of style. Right now, I'm drawing her with like earbuds in her ear. She's really into music. She has a really urban, modern day hip-hop style. The way she dressed is really relatable to like a lot of the younger females nowadays. So that was my approach. Kind of when I'm creating all of my characters, my approach is to kind of think about them existing in the real world. What is their occupation? What type of job do they have? What are they into? How do they dress? How do they act? What type of person are they? And I kind of create around that. That's gonna decide how my art is gonna turn out, knowing what I'm doing, knowing what type of character I'm gonna be drawing. So yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. So what are some of the ways that you like to create your characters? Drop a comment and let me know. But anyway, this is Elijah. I'll catch you guys in the next video.